So, records everywhere, but don't worry, tariffs are still here to make things interesting. Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, July 11th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. Thursday kept the momentum going. The Dow rose about 0.6%. The Standard & Poor's 500 added around 0.4% to close at a new high, 6,280.46. And the Nasdaq edged up 0.2%, notching its second straight record close. Nvidia kept doing Nvidia things. The stock ticked slightly higher and closed just above that insane $4 trillion market cap. The company made history this week, becoming the first public firm ever to cross that level. But get this, it wasn't just Nvidia stealing the spotlight. Bitcoin soared to a brand new all-time high, blasting through $113,000. So yeah, risk-on mode is alive and well. And even with all the new tariff noise from President Trump, markets didn't seem too rattled. After Wednesday's close, Trump upped the pressure again, this time going after Brazil, threatening 50% tariffs on their imports. That's not all. Trump has now sent out 22 letters to world leaders this week, each one outlining new tariff rates set to take effect August 1st, unless deals are made. Delta kicked off second quarter earnings season with a bang. The airline stock popped 12% after they raised their outlook and said there's finally some greater clarity on trade. Right now, investors are watching for movement on deals with the EU, Canada, and India. A deal with India is supposedly close, but that's in question after Trump warned of an extra 10% tariff on all BRICS nations. And real quick, weekly jobless claims came in at 227,000, down 5,000 from the week before. That's giving investors more to chew on as they wait for signals about when the Fed might finally cut rates. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.